What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be doing another product review. This is going to be the JDMuscle Midpipe Sport Resonator. I have not been able to find a single video as to what this sounds like and what this looks like in person. So today, an unboxing video. More than anything, we're going to do it either tomorrow or some other day, alright? Because I have a few things going on though. But I wanted to give you guys something a little different today, alright? So, JDMuscle Midpipe Sport Resonator. Alright, let's start opening it. Cool. Final review. Woo. Alright guys, check this out, okay? Let's look at 3 pieces, guys. I'm probably going down to the mufflers. Going down to the cat back. Check that out, guys. It's so cool. It's got the JDMuscle logo inscribed into it. Look at that. All printed out. You can actually feel it. That's the inside of it, guys. Cool. That's the front end of it. Get the other side. There we go, there we go. Got some stickers. Yeah, bag of gasket and screws. Some washers and some springs. So that's pretty nice right there. This is just an unboxing video for now. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. I'll give you guys another video right here as far as the install goes, before and after sounds, okay? So I'll catch you guys later, right? Peace.